which regarding in relate to unreal conditions. तो आपका जो sentence structure होगा that will be if followed by subject, then past perfect, then you have auxiliary models which are would, could and might, then followed by have which is a constant feature by the way, and then verb in the past participle form. इसकी examples हम study कर लेते हैं. If we had known that you were there, we could have written you a letter. अब इसका मतलब ये कि we did not know where you were or you were there, as a result we did not write you a letter. So इसमें आपके पास आपने जो इसमें से reason और जो आपने इसमें से meaning infer करना है, extract करना है, that exacts to be opposite. कि you know that you did not know that you were there, as a result you would not been able to write a letter. Second example, she would have sold the house if she had found the right buyer. First, she did not sell the house because she did not find the right buyer. So that's how you will make the unreal conditional not true sentences. Another example, if we had not lost our money, we would have arrived sooner. अब इसको exactly opposite